Okay.
So Paul and I are out on the golf course today, just doing some patrolling of things, monitoring the golf course, and thought it'd be a good opportunity to talk about some different rules situations that are specific to our golf course. One of the most common questions we get regarding the rules is how do we play out of the flower beds? I've hit my ball into a flower bed. How do I proceed? Well, our flower beds, I happen to be by the one behind the 14th green. But all of our flower beds, they're marked with blue stakes or blue lines to indicate the borders of the flower bed. We treat them as an abnormal ground condition, and the way you would take relief, you have a couple different options. So here you can see my ball is lying in the flower bed. The flag is right here on the edge of the green. So my option is either go to the nearest drop area. There's a drop area right over on this side of the green, another one way over there. So my nearest drop area is over here in this circle. So that's my first option. I can drop the ball in the drop area. There's no penalty. My other option, which a lot of people don't know about, is I can find my nearest point of relief that's no closer to the hole from where that ball lies. So if the flag is right on this part of the green, I'm going to probably have to go right about here. Again, this is where you want to consult with your fellow competitors to make sure that this spot's no closer to the hole from where the ball lies in the flower bed. And then once I've determined that spot where I'm not interfered with by the flower bed anymore, I would find my nearest point of relief. It's right there, and I can drop the ball within one club length of that spot. Again, I have a wedge in my hand. I could go back and get my driver to measure that, but I just want to use a wedge. Mark both edges with a T, and then drop the ball. Now that ball's in play, I'm not interfered by the abnormal ground condition. Now again, we also get the question of, okay, I hit my ball into the flower bed, but I can't find it. So what are my options then? Again, this is where you want to talk to your fellow competitors. So everyone in the group saw the ball go up into the flower bed about in that area. So they agree, okay, it crossed right about here. So now you just you treat as if the ball is in this spot right here, and you proceed under your two options for relief. Either go to the nearest drop area from this spot right here, or again, you can determine your nearest point of relief that's no closer to the hole from that spot right there, and proceed and take your drop. There's times when you might be able to find your ball deep into the flower bed. In that situation, oftentimes your only option is going to be to drop in one of the drop areas, because it's so deep into the flower bed, you're not going to be able to find a spot where you can take a drop along the wall that's no closer to the hole from where the ball lies. So again, in that situation, you're probably just going to have to proceed in the nearest drop area.